Welcome back everyone. Today I have an unusual product for this channel. Manufacturer asked us if we would like to review their product. It seemed an interesting one, so we agreed. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Box has a nice texture and some gold accents. It has a paper sleeve, and inside there's another box. Be open. Okay, let's do that. These are the headphones and some accessories. Interesting. They even included earplugs in the retail package and the charging cable. Don't forget the manual. No silica gel this time. The charging cable is 1/2 meter long. Looks like it attaches magnetically. With the USB cable, you can transfer MP3 files to them and use the headphones in a standalone mode. And here are the headphones, if you can call them like that. Naenka Runner Pro uses the bone conducting technology to play the music with this product. They're very light, only 32 grams. They have a matte finish and an elastic build. Three clicky buttons, power on and volume controls. They have soft finish on the bone conducting parts.
1 week later.
Well, after 1 week's use, I can say that one charge can keep them going for about 8 hours. They feel very comfortable, and I had no Bluetooth dropouts. Charging is easy, and it takes about an hour to get them fully charged. Here you can see how they look when they're being used. They look very subtle. The bad thing is that they are not a hi-fi headphone. Bass and treble is lacking in this technology, but I found the perfect use for them. They are ideal for audiobooks and podcasts, while riding a bike or running, because they represent human voices very clearly and you can hear everything that happens around you, like an augmented reality, and you can hear the traffic and other conversations as well. If you will be using them in these scenarios, then they are perfect for this use. That's it. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.